Hey Google, what's the temperature in Des Moines right now?
In Des Moines, it's currently -9 degrees. Due to current wind conditions, it feels like it's -35.
Okay, we haven't started the run yet today, but I gave you a little preview of what it's like outside. It's run streak day 80. We're getting ready. So I'm going to show you how I'm layering up here. This is for my legs. I have this thinner base layer here, then a little bit thicker pair of leggings to go over that, and then I have my fleece pants. My upper body, I have again a thinner base layer, a thicker layer to go on top of that, and then my nice thick fleece jacket. For my face, I got my same mask that I was using yesterday. Should probably be okay, although I do have a full-on like ski mask. I'm still debating whether I should use that, but I think I'm just gonna go with this. Got my hat here. 2 pairs of gloves. I'm gonna wear these, keep these handy just in case, because my hands inside these gloves can actually fit into these, so I can stack them. And then for socks, pretty sure I'm just gonna go with the 1 pair. I don't think the run's gonna be long enough that I need to worry about more than 1 pair of socks. And usually if I wear more than 1 pair of socks, I get blisters, so I don't like to do that. But that's it. That's how we're gonna roll today. All right, we're off and running here. Run streak day 80 is officially underway. I do have my clamp-ons on my shoes today. Figured if there was a day to break them out, it's definitely today. Temperatures are very low. It's -8 out here, but with the wind chill, -33. So, good times. So far, it doesn't feel that bad, and I'm not even warmed up yet. It'll get better. You know, the philosopher Wang Chi once said, "A brave man likes the feel of nature on his face." And normally I adhere to that principle. However, today is not the day to be doing that. The wind is a killer today. It hurts. Almost wish I had ski goggles on, to be honest. That'd be nice right about now. So the plan is to run up to the sculpture park. Oh, the wind. The wind. Like I was saying, the plan is to run up to the sculpture park, run around there for a little bit, go back, hoping to get my 5K in, but I don't know. It is very cold. We'll see. Don't know how the GoPro battery is going to do, because somehow I forgot to charge my 2 good GoPro batteries. One thing that's absolutely killing me is having to stop at all these red lights. I'm not warmed up yet because I keep having to stop, and then you chill down really quickly. But there's enough traffic driving around out here, I don't have a choice. I have to stop. Doing a second loop around the park here. I wanted to run through the park, but I have no idea where the sidewalk is. It's all covered. And I don't want my shoes to fill up with snow. Now, I did put a second thin pair of socks on. Hopefully that doesn't come back to bite me. They feel good so far. But I'm warmed up now, at least. My hands are doing fine. Still only wearing the 1 pair of gloves at this point. But it's so windy. I'm hoping to capture one, but I haven't yet. But there's these little mini, like, snow cyclones, snow nados that keep popping up. I ran through one, but I didn't capture it on the GoPro, unfortunately. Whew, okay. Just wanted to take a really quick stop in here. I don't want to stop for long. That would be a bad idea, but always like coming in this thing, looking around. It's a nice break from the wind for a few minutes. Well, I probably won't be here longer than 30 seconds, to be honest. It's too cold. The GoPro's starting to shut itself down. It's at 72% battery, but again, I'm using the official GoPro battery because I forgot to charge my good ones last night. That was a huge mistake, so I may not get much more footage on the rest of my run, but I am about halfway done to my 5K mark. Okay, we made it back from the run here. Run ended up being 3.52 miles. Pace of 9 minutes, 25 seconds, so nice and easy. Although it felt like I was going faster than that, I have to be honest. My heart rate was pretty high for going that slow. Average heart rate 152. Normally if I'm running 925, my heart rate's in the like low to mid 140s. But yeah, still a fun run overall. I mean, it was cold enough that the GoPro just stopped. The mistake that I made was I stopped and I changed the battery, thinking that because I did bring one of my halfway charged non-GoPro batteries, the cheaper, well, not really cheaper, but the aftermarket ones, thinking that, okay, the GoPro battery's failing me, I'm gonna switch over to this one and I'll have enough juice to get home. Didn't matter, they both just wouldn't work. And in the 2 minutes or so that it took me to change the battery, because to change it, I gotta take my gloves off, I gotta pop it off the little selfie stick, flip the door open, change the battery, put it back on the selfie stick, put my gloves back on. Took about 1.5 to 2 minutes to do all that, and I got really cold. My back started to get really cold from the sweat. It was crazy. It was a good time though. I was telling Inga when I got home, it was so cold that the sweat that was dripping down from my hat started to get in my eyes here, and it was making my eyes actually start to freeze shut, which was pretty crazy. So I constantly had to be going like this just to keep the water out of my eyes. But yeah, no, it was great. I never did get to talk about last night's movie in the run because the camera died before I got there. I only got about halfway through my run before the camera just went kaput. It quit on me when I was at the sculpture park. But last night's movie, Jingle All the Way, was great. We had a lot of fun watching that movie. I haven't seen it in forever. The plot was good. Sinbad was in it, which I forgot about. Sinbad was a really good character in that movie. It made the movie even better. Great movie overall. It was on, what did we watch it on? We had to watch it on Stars. We were thinking it was on Disney Plus, but it wasn't. It was on Stars. So check it out if you guys haven't already, and I'll show you what movie we're gonna watch later tonight. For now, I'm gonna drink a cup of nice warm coffee, eat a bowl of oatmeal, and relax for a little bit. All right, a little bit of a late lunch here. We got some salad to start with. We got some lettuce in there, some cabbage, some carrots, some cucumbers, sunflower seeds, a little bit of nutritional yeast on top, all kinds of good stuff in there, some radishes as well. And then we have some of the soup that I made yesterday to go with it. This is it's white bean and potato with kale in there. It's gonna be really good. Okay, so we're gonna end the video here, but before we do that, we're gonna find out what Christmas movie we're watching tonight. So let's slosh these around a little bit and grab one. The Santa Claus with Tim Allen. Haven't seen that in a very long time. Should be good.